monkey, it sounds N is for nest, it sounds O is for octopus, it sounds P is for pig, it sounds Q is for quail, it sounds quack. R is for rabbit, it sounds S is for sun, it sounds T is for tiger, it sounds U is for umbrella, it sounds